fact that I never knew that so many people would be interested in studying fashion. Is it because of me? Hi, so guys, this is Ivahoon and I'm back consistently. So I uploaded my last video this Sunday and I'm back today on Wednesday because this video was the most requested video of all time. So the last time I uploaded a video telling about my fashion communication life, everyone was so keen on knowing more about it, and yeah, I'm here to help you out. I remember how when I had my portfolio submission and interview, I had no videos to check on to, or like, where to prepare from or anything, because there was nothing related to it on the internet, because we were the first batch. Mine was the first batch who gave the portfolio submission and the interview, क्योंकि उससे पहले they used to conduct the SEED exam, which is not happening now, I think. मतलब मैंने तो नहीं दिया. Okay, so let me talk about what is fashion communication again. But if you haven't seen the last video, you should definitely check it out. I'll drop the link down in the description so you can check it out. Okay, so let me talk about what is fashion communication. It's okay, so it's like a very huge field. Like, if you're doing fashion communication, you get so many job opportunities. Like, what I thought is that if I will do fashion design, it will restrict me to be just a designer. But if I'm doing fashion communication, I have many choices. Like, I can be a fashion merchandiser, a fashion editor, be someone in fashion marketing, or a fashion stylist. Like, there are so many things. Like, it's like communication in the field of fashion. So many things I can do with it, right? Put up a story on Instagram for you all to ask me questions, so I'm gonna answer those questions now. Okay, so people also ask, are you supposed to be good at drawing if you're doing fashion communication? Okay, honestly, even I thought कि नहीं होना चाहिए, but like, see, I am not good in drawing, but for foundation year you need to be good. Like, I won't say good at drawing, but you should at least know the basic, because foundation year में हमें सिर्फ drawing करवाई है. Like, we have subjects like design fundamentals, sketching and drawing 1 and 2 for semester 1 and semester 2, and that's like the toughest thing. You were taught how to draw hand and the body structure and everything. Mannequins were easy, but the thing were not. Okay. Anyways, then there were some questions about portfolio submission, so I'll show you my portfolio at the end of this video, so make sure you keep watching. Okay, there was a question, is it okay to apply for just 1 or 2 colleges? I mean, if we are sure that you will get into that college, so yeah. I myself applied for Pearl Academy and Symbiosis, and I got into both of them, so it was easy for me to choose Symbiosis over Pearl. Did you consider Amity as well, or SID was main preference? And your view on Amity? Okay, I'll tell you a funny story. When it was my personal, interview session going on during the admissions. So, ma'am asked me कि why are you not choosing Amity, and why do you want to move out and go to Pune? Okay, my answer was, जिसका कुछ नहीं उसका Amity. If you know, you know. Okay, sorry, I don't wanna defame any college. I don't wanna say rude about any college, but what I have heard from one of my senior who was in Amity, she said that in the name of fashion communication they were taught design. I think it's not a good choice to do fashion communication from Amity. I think Amity is just good for law, but again, I don't know because I'm not studying in Amity, so I can't say anything on it. Okay, is SID expensive? I mean, it's obviously expensive than NIFT or NID, because NIFT and NID are like government colleges, but then it's the same as Pearl. I think Pearl is more expensive than SID. कुछ ही thousands का फर्क है शायद. How would you decide India versus abroad? I would say if you're getting the opportunity to go abroad, just go, just leave India, just go, get out, please get out. It's better life out of India, seriously, no kidding. First of all, guys, the admissions for Symbiosis is open till 25th of May, so you can check out the website. I'm also gonna drop the link of my college's website down below, so you can go and check it out. And other than that, if I talk about the whole portfolio thing, what to include, what not to include, I would say be as creative as you can be. My portfolio was actually unique and different because I saw people just adding their drawings in the portfolio, but I literally added everything I knew about fashion communication in my portfolio, which made it, unique. And I think that is why I got into, the first merit list. Not me flexing, because some of my friends didn't get into Symbiosis and then they hated me for it. Okay, is it necessary to make a portfolio and what should I put in it? Can I put my own photography? I think it is, I mean, obviously it is necessary to make a portfolio, because I think now you are not having the SEED exam, you're just having the portfolio submission and the personal interview session. Even in the personal interview session, they're gonna go through your portfolio in front of you and ask you questions related to the portfolio as well. And yeah, you can put your photography in it, because in fashion communication in second year you're also taught photography. What do they ask in entrance exam and how do I prepare for it? I would say just chill out, like seriously. The teachers and the faculty are so good, so sweet, literally. Okay, let me talk about the questions I was asked in my personal interview session. I don't remember because it happened like 1 year ago, and even I was as nervous as you all are, but I did not have any video to check on to, but now you have me. Okay, so let's move on to that. Okay, the first question she asked me was related to COVID. She was like, how is the government in your area taking care of COVID? I mean, it was a random question just to make you comfortable or anything. I think that's why she asked me that. And I told ki government is doing nice, and they have asked everyone to wear masks. That was the silliest thing I said, but it is true. We all were being asked to wear masks and stay at home and wash our hands. That's what I told everyone. There were two people who took the interview, my interview, so I told them ki ye hai. Then they went through my portfolio and she asked me why do I want to do fashion communication. So I told her I want to do fashion communication because I saw this movie Devil Wears a Prada and I really loved the job Anne Hathaway was doing, which was actually she was working for a fashion magazine, but she was working as an assistant. But I want to work as an editor for a fashion magazine, especially Vogue. Like I want to write fashion related articles. Like, yeah, you would say that I should have done journalism for that, but I was interested more in fashion, so I took fashion, so I can do my master's or diploma in journalism if I want to. Okay, the next question she asked me was why am I choosing Symbiosis and why not Amity, because Amity is near me. So I said because jinka kuch nahi uska Amity. But then I also said things like I want to move out of Delhi, and I stated, okay, my personal interview was very funny and friendly and I was confident. I think the only tip I want to give you is smile all the time and be as confident as you can be. And I was overconfident. I said that there's this pastry shop I heard about which is in front of Symbiosis, and I want to go there and eat brownies every day. And my personal interviewer, she just laughed off and she was like, good Deva, it was good interviewing you today. Like, yes. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. That's the level of chill my interview went. So you don't need to worry. Please show your portfolio. Yes guys, for the moment you all were waiting for, without further ado, let's see my portfolio now. Hi guys, so this is the front page of my portfolio. I just wanted to make it aesthetic. The second page tells about myself and the software I know how to use. Third page is about fashion journalism, which I want to do. The fourth page is related to fashion photography and I just added it. Then this is fashion styling because we would be taught styling in communication. Then this is mood boards showing my software knowledge, how I know how to use softwares. Then again vector art I used, and multimedia illustration of how I know how to use softwares. Then these are the paintings which I added. I did not add any fashion illustration, but I added just 4 sketches which I did. And then I added my experience with Paul Academy internship and the fabric product, the actual product I made. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Can we add clay and resin items? Again, I would say it's all about your creativity. Add anything you want to. Be as creative as you can. Sky is your limit. So yes guys, that was it for today's video. If you still have any doubt or any questions related to it, you can ask me on Instagram. My Instagram is divya.hoon, or just drop your questions down below. I'll give it a read. That was it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and comment down below if you have like any doubts, questions, any video requests, anything. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.